everyone, this is Tara Gray from Computara. I'd like to show you today how to clear your browsing history and cache from Google Chrome. Once you have Google Chrome open, as I do here, you will go up to the three dots on the top right. Click that. Then move your arrow down to More Tools and then over to Clear Browsing Data. You'll notice on the box that pops up, we have several different options. The time range I have set to all time. You can change that to the last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, or 4 weeks. But I'd like to clear my browsing data from all time. The first and third checkboxes are selected on my computer. I want my browsing history to be cleared, and I want my cached images and files to be cleared. However, I don't want my cookies to be cleared. Otherwise, that might sign me out of several different websites that I'm signed into normally all the time. The next option is to go to Clear Data. And that's it. We are now clear of our cache and browsing data within Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.